Welcome you back in the second part of spell token price analysis. So let's get into it and continue the analysis that we try and also rate today to do. So let's head up into it. So we got the first one, second, the third, and we're gonna consider this is the first, and this will be the fourth, right? So taking another thing which is here, let me push this to the side. Take the Fibonacci, put it from the bottom, and take it to the top, to the resistance line. Take it to the right side, take another one, and take it from here to here. Okay. So first of the thing, as we came from here, all right, then we broke the resistance right here, this line, but we came down and we tried to correct above the last resistance right here. It didn't work, and then we hit it up down, right? We hit it up down. Then was another try here, the second try to break this line. It didn't happen. Before we break it, we tried to break the last one. All right, in order for us to go to 0.010. It didn't happen. Then we tried, we didn't even take down the second resistance. So we continued down, all right? Then here we bottom it. So the bottom, as you can see here from the side of relative index right here, we touched above the resistance line of the RSI, which is mean 0.28. From there, we accumulate. People has been accumulating right here, the token. I mean, buying and putting their bags. From there, then we hit it really hard and we crushed the resistance. It happened, but it was a fake one. So here it was a fake, and here it was fake. But what's difference between the third attempt to break the resistance and the second is the second we tried and we crashed down. And the third we tried, but we didn't continue crash down. We didn't came back to the same spot, to the same area right here in the accumulation phase, but we kept ourselves above the 50% moving average. We kept ourselves above even 60. If we wanna count this on the second Fibonacci here, which is this one, this guy. We wanna count this one. So we stayed above the 60 moving average, which is also was an indication of the price starting correcting hardly. If we talk right here, if we talk this, let me just put another, let me just take Fibonacci to this point right here, which is the bottom, and take this to just to this area, just to the third attempt to break the line. We're gonna see that we have corrected all the time above 60 and above 50. So above 50 we stayed all the time above 50, and we saw even the chart right here. It shows us each time we bottom right here, we bottom it, the second was not touched above it, not touched, even not touched, and from there we hyped all the way. As long as we didn't go under, like 50% or even 60% from the third attempt, that means that the price is about to jump more and like hit up the other side, or correct or reverse on the rising wage. So but here it didn't. I mean, we did attempt it, but it did go under 50% of the first and the second attempt. That what caused it to crash right here. So right now it's about to correct again above the 50 moving average from the bottom to the last point, which is number 4, which is the last point we reached yesterday. Then from there we're gonna correct above 0.04445 to 42 max, and from there we're gonna see like a start of a new like explosion. What also I want to share with you right here, this is, as I said, that was just only the that just was the first thing that I noticed. The second thing, this is a similar ghost of the first chart that we saw right here. In here, from this point, from down below, from here to this point, which is the last resistance. This is the same shadow you see in here, same of it. And from there, based on that, I put the moving averages based on what also has shown in here, because this is a wave of the Elliott's moving averages. I'm sorry, I said moving averages, but that was wrong. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is the 5th, which is the last. And then from there we started the correction. So the same as in here, as you can see. So we have again to correct above. So soon as we finished first. Right now we finished from the first Fibonacci retracement, which is from the bottom to 0.50. Let me put that so zoomed that you can see that what I'm talking about. So right now we finished from this Fibonacci right here, which has been from the bottom to the third, and we have right now, just to keep ourselves above the 60 moving averages, it happened right now we have to keep ourselves from or above this orange line right here. So from here, which is, as I said, 0.45, 0.44, that's the max. So we have to keep ourselves right here, and from there then rise. I'm sorry. So that's one. The thing that I also noticed right here is the volume. Like before even I do, I mean, if you just roll back right now the video that you see right now, if you roll it back or you wind it to the first minute, you're gonna see here we were at 6,000,035 or something. Right now 6,042,000. It's still, there is money that pushes into the market. It's still pumping the money right now, then the liquidity to it. Tomorrow or the next week will really hype. So we are right now in 10%. About like tomorrow or a Monday, you're gonna see here maybe 160 or 120%. So even the longs position here are going really crazy. It's 75 are long, 25 are short, which is again insane. So even before I started this video here, it was 6.18. Right now it's 6.43. So if we just gonna wait another like 5 minutes, you're gonna see it here by 50, which is, there is more money put in here. I think from the last week it was less than 6 million. Right now it's more than 6 million. So it goes, I mean, next tomorrow maybe 7 million right here. So let's see. And by you seeing this video, go and check and the volume again on Gate. You're gonna see that the volume has been really changed. So the volume it's still keeping. If we want to go back to the price chart on trading view, but this time we're gonna base on MACD, the indicator of the MACD, and see moving average conversions and diversions and see. So we're gonna keep that away and put this, just wait. So that's right, the money it's still floating, and this also an indicator that the money is really floating into it, and they push it into the market, they push it into this project right here. As you can see also the two sloping averages right here, they still keeping going up, meaning that there is money still putting on the project, and it's still gonna really go nuts. So it's gonna go about something like in those areas. So because this is 1 2 3 4 5 times that it goes there, but it didn't happen that to push the volume more than that. So it will be expected to go right here. And if we manage to go more than that, that means we're gonna end up by 0.013, all right, or 0.016. So if you are investing like 1000K, let's see, I'm just gonna put my money right there. Um, Let me just give you a simple calculation what we waiting from there. So I have there 1013. Let me divide it by 0.0045. If I get my hands in there, that's 200. Multiply 0.0, that's my first target right there. That's 2000, that's 3000. That's I'm really good with that. So 1000K, 2000K profit, almost 2000. I'm really good with that. So as you can see here, it's still going here more. So I really need it to get into here, that because this is the point where I have to enter into this spell. And we have right here the cross, which is the golden cross, and each time you have the golden cross, that's a very sign on a sign for the market reverse. But you should not see in the golden cross only on 4 hours. The golden cross confirmation comes on the daily, not on the daily, not on the 4 hours chart. So the daily here, the cross R is coming, so it's gonna happen in these areas. That's where it's gonna happen. Let me take just this shadow chart out. So here it's about to, this is just a simulation of how the moving averages will look like. So my first target is, as I said, above this resistance channel right here between 0.14, 0.13, 0.16. This is where I'm gonna sell my first load and wait until I get above 50 again, which is maybe gonna happen here in 200s, 0.009, and buy again from there. And then I'm just gonna follow the Fibonacci by selling and buying. All right, each high point it reaches, I'm gonna take it like in something. Let me just show you a simulation for that. So let's just say the price went to the top right here, to 0 to 18. I'm gonna take moving averages and see from where it starts, and from there taking it to the top, all right, and see where the 50 is located. It's exactly right here. The 50 says it's on 0.011, and the 60 moving average says, not 60 moving average, I'm sorry, the 60 on Fibonacci says it is on 0.010. So I will put another order between 0.50 and 0.61 in order for me to go back with the price if the trend was positive by just rising and then correcting and rising again above the first line and correcting, and why like rising above the number 3 wave. So the second resistance, the perfect, will be 0.29. This is the target, the ultimate target. If we did like a new all-time high, that will be really insane. That would be really good, and we will keep moving with it. So I hope you see this as an opportunity to invest. Whatever you see in this channel is not a financial advice and never will be. So this is just one currency that I want to share with you, and share with you like this price analysis in terms of the momentum also indicator. Let me just take the moving at the MACD and see the momentum, if the momentum is building or not. The momentum also, it's starting to build, it's really starting. As you can see also, the momentum is on a trending kind of line. As you can see here, it's on trending line. So correction, puff, correction, puff, and it goes like that. So I hope you see this as I said, a good project, and I hope you get some value out of it. If you like it, please subscribe and hit that like button, or share this video to your family and friends. If you have any comment, please put them in the box below. I will be happy to answer them for you. Happy Sunday and enjoy your day, whatever you do, whatever you want to do in life. Just enjoy it. and share it if you have the patience for it. And that's how we gonna like make our environment better and contribute to it to be better. So happy a great day and see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.